Hi guys again, more for maths this week. I am not setting you a new maths times table pack. I'm just going to ask you to try either all of these three little games or at least two of them. Okay, so the first one is based on numbers we used and I asked you to use last week. So last week I set out these numbers for you. In fact, I had them on the trampoline and I was asking you to see if you could get multiplication and division facts for these different numbers. So you have to have practiced them first. Then you have to find yourself a willing partner in crime. And then that partner in crime has to challenge you with questions and you have to snap the answer. So, partner in crime, are you ready? 2 times 2. 3 times 6. Oh. 2 times 6. 3 times 5. Yes. Okay, so you get the idea. It's a bit of a snap game. Now, while you've got someone with you, you can also, I'm getting mean looks, you can also try a game where you're going to count up in the times table block. So, for example, if we chose the 5 times table, it's first one to waver or falter or pause. They're out. So let's try this. So, okay, 5.
10.
15.
20.
25.
30.
35.
40.
45.
50.
Okay, and we'll try and get to 10 times the number, or you could try and get to 12 times the number. Let's try it again. Threes. So 3.
6.
9.
12.
15.
18.
21.
24.
27.
30.
Okay, so this is what you've got to try and do for those games. Now the final one is this one. If you have a pack of cards in the house, this is one you can play by yourself or you can play with someone else. You need to get the pack of cards and you need to remove all these cards. So the queens, the kings, the jacks, the joker, take all of those ones out and then you're left with all the number cards. Okay, you've simply then got to put out 2 cards in front of you and work out the answer when you multiply them together. So 3 times 6, 18. See how quickly you can do it. 2 times 10, 20. 10 times 7, 70. 2 times 7, 14. 3 times 9, 27. And you would keep going with as many as you could. Get through the whole pack and time yourself. See how quickly you can do it. Okay, so that's our times table challenges this week. You haven't got a new pack. You can try other activities from the packs from the previous weeks. Please do. But also try these. These involve people in your houses. So good luck for your challenges. Let me know how you get on and I'll see you next week. So we're going to have a look at the kitten's growth. Since I last saw you last week, here's what the graph is looking like. So we have the little graph for white and black face, who we've now started to call Biggie, because Biggie loves eating and drinking, sorry. Biggie is doing very well. And then we've got White Cheek, who is plotted in red, also doing very well. Had a funny couple of days where you can see that we missed a day. So you never plot the data. If you missed it, you missed it. We then just plotted the data after it. And then we've got little White Chin, who seems to be becoming a little bit tinier than the other two, so we're keeping an eye on that one. But as you can see, they're perfectly happy. They're all feeding from mummy. They're getting much, 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 much bigger now. Lots and lots of drinking, manic, frantic drinking happening here. So we've got to still weigh them today to see how much they're creeping up that graph. Bye-bye, folks, and see you next week.